Hello Sytoxcar friends. In this video, we will discuss the latest rumors regarding the 2025 Isuzu Traga Blind van. This car is reportedly ready to become a new competitor in the blind van segment in Indonesia. Is this rumor true? Come on, watch the video until it's finished. Get to know the Isuzu Traga Blind van. The Isuzu Traga Blind van is the blind van version of the very popular Isuzu Traga pickup. A blind van itself is a type of van that does not have windows at the back, so the cargo space is wider and safer for transporting goods. This is certainly an added value for entrepreneurs who need a van that is reliable and efficient. Advantages of the Isuzu Traga Blind van. This car has several advantages over its competitors. First, the diesel engine is known to be economical and has large torque. Second, its compact dimensions make it easy to park in various conditions. The 2025 Isuzu Traga Blind van is still just a rumor, but if launched, this car could be an interesting choice on the market. Attractive specifications. Based on rumors circulating, the 2025 Isuzu Traga Blind van will have the following specifications: 1.8L diesel engine that produces 78 PS of power and 170 Nm of torque. 5-speed manual transmission. Dimensions: length 4,115 mm, width 1,665 mm, and height 1.95 mm. Load capacity 5.6 cubic meters. Standard features such as air conditioning, power windows and radio. Then, what about the price rumors? The 2025 Isuzu Traga Blind van is predicted to be in the range of IDR 225 to 250 million. The price is quite attractive for a car with these specifications and advantages, isn't it? That's all for this video about rumors about the 2025 Isuzu Traga Blind van. What do you think, auto major friends? Is this car worth waiting for? Give your opinion in the comments column. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.